Hello, my name is Fyütch, and I'm a music artist and educator. Today, we're going to explore how to rap. This video is part of the Kennedy Center's Education's online collection, Teaching Artists Present. We're teaching artists from all over the country lead activities that you can enjoy from the comfort of your home. First, let me show you an example of what I do. Oh, clap your hands with me. Now feel the beat and let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Remember that feeling when the world was mine? Young, broke, and naive, but everything was fine. Mama kicked me out the house on summer days. I had a job hunt. Used to ride the bus from Madison to Antioch, Rivergate to Hickory Hollow, Aubrey Mills to Bell Road, filling applications every retail and grocery store. Remember having dreams of making $7.25 with a sneaker discount and Foot Locker a finish line. Yeah. That's the first verse from my song, Miss Those Days. I wrote that about my life. Now I want you to write something about your life. That's the easiest thing to write about. So have you ever rapped before, or is this your first time? Either way, I've got you covered. We are going to write an introduction rap. First, we need the beat. Yeah, try to feel this beat. Feel the rhythm. Remember we counted to 4? Let's count to 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine yourself rapping to this. Yeah. So we have our beat. Now we're ready to write our rap. Instead of making you think of all your own lyrics, I'm providing you with a rap template where you can fill in the blanks to complete your rap. I'll perform mine for you to give you an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, here we go. Fyütch dog is my name. Writing raps is my favorite game. I am 33 years old, 0 years until I'm grown. Making rhymes on Saturday, and that's all I have to say. Yeah, thank you. Remember how we counted to 4? Notice how each line lasts for 4 beats. For this rap, we want our rhyme word to be on beat 4. Fyütch dog is my name. Writing raps is my favorite game. On the first line, let's start with your name. I use my rap name, Fyütch. But Fyütch is only 1 syllable, so I added a word to it to make the line longer. Fyütch dog is my name. I could have used my first and last name, Harold Simmons. Harold Simmons is 4 syllables, but it's not too long. Harold Simmons is my name. What if your name is long like John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt? You can make it fit, but you have to rap it fast. John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt is my name. We want to stay on the beat. And remember, we want our rhyme to be on beat 4. Next, pick an activity you like to do. You could say, soccer is my favorite game. Fortnite is my favorite game. Making straight A's my favorite game. Next, you'll say how old you are. I am 33 years old. What about you? I am 7 years old. Then, how many years until you think you're grown? There's no wrong answer. I said 0 years because, well, I'm grown. 0 years until I'm grown. One kid said 100 years until I'm grown. Next line, fill in the day of the week it is when you're writing this. Making rhymes on Saturday, making rhymes on Tuesday. And the last line, and that's all I have to say. You wrote your rap, now we're ready to perform it. Pause the video right here if you need more time to fill in the blanks and write your rap. When you're finished, press play and practice it to the beat. All right, it's time to perform it. You ready? Let's do it. DJ, hit the beat. Yeah, remember, feel the music. I'll help count you off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice, great job. Keep practicing your rap to the beat until you get it perfect. And when that's too easy, you're ready to write your own lyrics. You won't even need my fill in the blank template anymore. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll explore other videos in the Kennedy Center Teaching Artists Present collection. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, and bam.